Good morning, my dear class. How are you, all of you? Hope so, all are fine. So, let's start subject English with a lesson number 3, Onam, the Harvest Festival of Kerala. Reading Onam, the Harvest Festival of Kerala. Meera and Venu Nair live in Delhi with their two daughters, Jayanti and Jyoti. The Nair family is very happy as they are going to visit their relatives in Kerala and also celebrate Onam after a long time with their friends and family. As they land at the airport, their uncle Gopal welcomes them and takes them to their native village Triputura, where their entire family has gathered to celebrate the festival together. Jayanti and Jyoti have lots of questions about the festival, the story behind it, and the way it is celebrated. Uncle Gopal smiled at the queries and explained to the little girls in the form a story. 90 merrymaking and feasting assure King Mahabali's that all well in his land Kerala in the month of Shravan when the land is lush green. The Malayalis celebrate Onam. Onam is the state festival of Kerala and it's celebrated for 10 days. The legend goes that the powerful demon king Mahabali was greatly loved by his people. He was able just and fulfill the wishes of his subject. The gods fearing his growing power took Lord Vishnu's help. Vishnu took the form of a child called Vamana and asked Mahabali for a piece of land equal to his 3 footstep. The king granted his wish. Lord Vishnu grew in a size and gained control by force. All the 3 worlds and sent Mahabali to Patal or hell. Before that, the king requested Lord Vishnu to let him visit his people on earth once a year. Onam is believed to be the day King Mahabali returned to his people. To welcome him to his land, houses are cleaned and everyone wears new clothes and gold ornaments. Children prepare a 10-type flower decoration called Onatappam, one type for each of the 10 days. Coconut leaf and cane decoration are hung at the entrance of home, and the Onam feast is traditionally served on banana leaf and include the delicacies like sambar, rasam, payasam, and avil kuttu. Onam cannot be complete without the snake boat race, a pageant of dancers, musicians, and folk artists appear in boat. At the end of celebration, 100 feet long snake boat called Chunandas participate in a race. Each boat has more than 120 men rowing to the rhymes of the drums and cymbals. Kathakali is performed at night. There are lots of feasting and merrymaking, dear girls. Enough for now. All your cousins and friends are eagerly waiting for you. As they reach their village, Triputura, there was a lot of laughter and happiness in the air. Uncle Gopal smiled. Onam has begun. Meaning, delicious special dish pageant. Here a performance based on a historical and religious story.
Time ago, an Asura, a demon king called Mahabali, ruled Kerala. He was a wise, benevolent, and judicious ruler, and beloved of his subjects. Soon his fame as an able king began to spread far and wide. The gods felt challenged and began to fear his growing powers. Presuming that he might become overpowerful, the Devas pleaded with Lord Vishnu to curtail Mahabali's powers. Vishnu transformed himself into a dwarf named Vamana and approached Mahabali while he was performing a yajna and asked for alms. Pleased with the dwarf Brahmin's wisdom, Mahabali granted him a wish. The Vamana asked for a simple gift, 3 paces of land, and the king agreed to it. Vishnu, in the guise of Vamana, then increased his stature and with the first step covered the sky, blotting out the stars, and with the second straddled the netherland. Realizing that Vamana's third step will destroy the earth, Mahabali offered his head as the last step. Vishnu's fatal third step pushed him to the netherland. But before banishing him to the underworld, Vishnu granted him a boon. Since he was attached to the kingdom and his people, he was allowed to return once a year from exile. Onam is a celebration that marks the homecoming of King Mahabali. It is the day when a grateful Kerala pays a glorious tribute to the memory of this benign king.
Comprehension. Answer the following question. Why was the Nair family happy? The Nair family was very happy as they were going to visit their relatives in Kerala. Why was King Mahabali loved by his people? Mahabali was very generous and charitable. Whenever anybody approached him for help or requested for anything, he always granted. What did Vamana do? Vamana, fifth of the 10 incarnations, avtaras of the Hindu god Vishnu. In the Rigveda, Vishnu took 3 strides with which he measured out the 3 worlds, earth, heaven, and the space between them. How do the children decorate their homes? Children in Kerala decorate their homes and surroundings as they believe that the Asura king Mahabali visits. Children prepare a tent of flower decoration called Onatappam, one day for each of the 10 days. Coconut leaf and cane decorations are hung at the entrance of home. How do the people welcome the King Mahabali every year? Every year, people make elaborate preparation to welcome their king, whom they affectionately call Onatappam. They wish please the spirit of their king by depicting that his people are happy and wish him well. Complete the following sentence. Meera and Venu Nair live in Delhi with their 2 daughters Jayanti and Jyoti. They are going to visit their relatives in Kerala and celebrate Onam. Jayanti merry making and feasting assure King Mahabali that all is well in his land Kerala. Onam is celebrated in the month of Shravan. An Onam feast is traditionally served on banana leaves and including delicacies like sambar, rasam, payasam, avel and kotu. Thoughts? Do you like this story and myth behind the story? Yes. Do you like that Onam festival also? So students, do you think King Mahabali is happy when he visits his kingdom every year? Excellent. He feel happy. Thank you my dear class. Stay at home. Be safe. Bye bye.